Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 4. A company that manufactures bicycle has determined that a new employee can assemble M of D equals to 200D over 3D plus 10 bicycles per day after D days on the job training. Find M prime of D. For this, differentiate with respect to D. So D by dd of M of D equals to D by dd of 200D over 3D plus 10. So here it becomes M prime of D, and apply here quotient rule, 3D plus 10 into D by dd of 200D minus 200D into D by dd of 3D plus 10 over 3D plus 10 whole square. Here remains 3D plus 10, 200D differentiate, so we get 200. Derivative of 200D is 200 with respect to D minus 200D, and here derivative of 3D with respect to D is what? 3, and 10 is 0 over 3D plus 10 whole square. Now 200 into 3D we get 600D plus 200 into 10 we get 2000, and 3 into 200 we get minus 600D over 3D plus 10 whole square. This 600D cancel with this 600D, we get 2000 over 3D plus 10 whole square. This is M prime of D. Now in the question it is given that interpret and find M prime of 2. Now M prime of 2, so put here 2000 over 3 into 2 plus 10 whole square. Here we get 2000 over 3 2s are 6 plus 10 16, 16 16s are 256, and further 16 16s are, and 16 125s are, so 125 over 16. Now M prime of 5, 2000 over 3 into 5 plus 10 whole square equals to 2000. Here 3 5s are 15 plus 10, 15 plus 10 we get 25 whole square. 2000 over 25, 25s are 625. So we get what? 25 25s are, and 25 80s are. So here we get 80 over 25. Further, this 125 over 16 is equal to 7.8, and this 80 over 25 is approximately equal to 3. So if we want to interpret it, after 2 years it is 7.8, and after 5 years it is 3. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Suppose that the temperature T of food placed in deep freezer drops according to the equation T equals to 700 over T square plus 4T plus 10, where T is the time in hours. Find d by dt of T at T is equal to 1 hour and T is equal to 2 hour. So differentiate with respect to T. D by dt of T equals to d by dt of 700 over T square plus 4T plus 10. So here we can write it as d by dt of T equals to, apply the quotient rule here, T square plus 4T plus 10 into d by dt of 700 minus 700 d by dt of T square plus 4T plus 10 over T square plus 4T plus 10 whole square. So d by dt of T equals to, here the derivative of 700 is 0, so T square plus 4T plus 10 into 0 minus 700. Now the T square derivative is 2T and the 4T derivative is 4 and the constant derivative is 0, 10 derivative, and 2 square plus 4T plus 10 whole square. So we can write it as T prime of T equals to, because it is function of T in T variable, so it becomes 0 minus 700 2T plus 4 over T square plus 4T plus 10 whole square. So T prime of T equals to minus 700 2T plus 4 over T square plus 4T plus 10 whole square. First we will put the value of A part. Put T equals to 1 R. So T prime of 1 equals to minus 700 2 into 1 plus 4 over 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 10 whole square, minus 700. Look here, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 4 6 over here 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 10 whole square. So 6 7s are 42 minus 4200 over 10 14 15 15 square, 15 15 15s are 225, so minus 4200 over 225. This is T prime of 1. Now T prime of 2 equals to minus 700, and here 2 into 2 plus 4 over 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 10 whole square. So we can write it minus 700 4 plus 4 over 4 plus 8 plus 10 whole square. Further 4 4 8 8 7s are 56 minus 5600 over 10 18 19 20 21 22 22 square, which is equal to 484. minus 5600 over 484. The answer. Question 6. For a thin lens of constant focal length p, here focal length is represented by p. The object distance is x and the image distance is y, are related by the formula this. First of all, we will have to write it y in terms of x and p. For this, shift this 1 by x to the right side, will become minus 1 by x. Now take the LCM, which is px, x multiply here and p here, x minus p. Now take the reciprocal, so 1 by y become y, the px comes here and x minus p here. So we have write it in y in terms of p and x. Now differentiate using quotient rule. D by dx of y, d by dx of this. Here we get dy by dx. Here denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator over denominator square. So the phi x derivative is p, and here the x derivative is 1 and the p is 0, so we can write here 1. Now multiply this x with p, we get xp and minus p square, and here minus xp. This xp cancel with xp, so here remains minus p square over x minus p whole square, the answer. Question 7. Suppose you are the manager of a truck firm and one of your driver reports that his truck burns fuels at the rate of g of x 1 over 200 800 over x plus x, and g prime of x equals to minus 800 over x square plus 1. If your driver tells you that he wants to travel at 20 miles, what should you advise him? And if he says that he want to go with 40 miles, then what? For in this question, g of x and g prime of x both are given. First of all, we will find for 20 miles per hour, so we will put 20 here. So we get, look at here, 20 square 400, 400 2s are minus 2 plus 1. The answer is in negative. So we will advise the driver to go faster because the answer is in negative. Now we will find for 40 miles, put g of 40, the 40 square is 16. Now at 100 ones are 800, 2s are minus 1 over 2, take the LCM, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 plus 2 over 2, multiply this 2 with 200, we get 400, and here 2 minus 1, we get 1, 1 into 1, 1. Here the answer is in positive, so we will suggest him that go slow.